To remove our under Auger UHMW, you first need to remove this T-bar, we call it, right in the center of the blower. To remove that, I reach around behind the auger, and this is just a 1/2-inch nut on a plow bolt. It's actually the same fastener that holds the center of the lower cut edge. Unthread it. Now to remove the UHMW lower auger slide, it takes 1/2-inch wrench. I got my helper Noah on the other side. Go ahead and loosen them. Okay, second one. Okay. And then once you get these fasteners out, you'll notice they're extra length, and the reason is when you go to put new plastic in to get it to dry in position, we chose to use longer fasteners. There we go. Okay, then to insert a new UHMW plastic, you just insert it, obviously, underneath the auger again, and push the fastener through the hole that it lines up with. And insert the bolts into the 3 holes that you removed them from. And I'm holding the 2 inside fasteners. You can put the nuts on. Start on the inside one, or which? And then tighten the fasteners up. Middle one. And then the end one. Okay. Once you have the 3 fasteners secured, then you can put the center T-bar back in. Again, this is a plow bolt that has a square hex on the bottom. Put the nut on. Tighten it up.